today we will be opening the piggy bank of our big girl Mika here. She don't want to be called as little one. She's a big girl Mika, right? Yes. So she started putting coins here and bills last year around April of 2022. So this is one of our gift to her, the piggy bank that I bought in Amazon. And the money that she put here is from mostly as a gift to her during her birthday and Christmas, and even there's no occasion. There's some of our friends that when they see our big Mika, they give cash to her. And I do resell also some toys, so the profit from the toys, I gave it to her, and then she put it in her piggy bank. And then even the old toys that she don't want to use, I resell it to Marketplace, and I give the cash to her, and then she put it in her piggy bank. And sometimes when we went to the store, when she find a coins, even if it's a penny, she will pick it up and she will put in the piggy bank. So are you excited to find out how much is inside?
Yeah!
Yeah, and we will put the money to her college fund. So we're building a college fund for her. So can you open it? So this is what it looked like. She's the one who set the passcode. Wow! And can you put the money here? Wait, we're gonna show it to the people. Okay, can you put that in here? Ooh, she have a lot of.
I got a lot of pennies.
And then she got a lot of coins. It's okay, we'll clean the place later. Oh, there's a lot of coins. Wow.
That's a lot.
So she had a lot of pennies.
There's a lot of pennies.
Now, can you put the bills here? Can you put it like by tens, by 5? Can you arrange your money here? So that's easy to count.
First ABC is bigger.
Okay. See if you can find. There's 100 bill here because it's a gift.
That is a lot.
Yeah. It's a gift to her by her godmother.
And
Jersey.
mommy customer.
Yeah, from the toys. Also the sales from the toys.
Do you remember I got lots of money from Linda?
Yeah, from Linda during your birthday, during her 7th birthday.
I told you.
We have a lot of friends that their gift to Big Mika is cash. Carrie, Mersh, our neighbor is Linda, and then Ate Christine, and then her godfather Joe. He gave $35 Amazon gift card, and I just swapped it with the cash. See, she's putting the ones here.
And
Tita Chana gave you also cash. She always give you cash when she come over here. And Tita Melinda, right? So thank you so much to everyone that always remember our big girl here. So this is the money that she received from you guys and from the profit in the toys that we resell. Do you think how much money you have?
Oh my god.
What is that?
I just showed Linda's gift.
Okay. Can you put in here? Yay. Wow, you have a lot.
I am organized as silly.
Silly. Why are you calling me silly?
Because
It's just a joke.
no,
Oh,
it's a nonsense word.
oh, it's a nonsense word. And sometimes when she do some chores, I give her like $1, so she's happy with it. That's 50 baht. 50.
Silly
Yeah,
me.
they look like $5. That's why. Yeah, that's your profit from the toy slippers. I'm gonna put in here because we have
no coins.
Yep. Do you want me to count the coins?
No.
Okay, we will count it.
Wait, I saw something.
What is that?
Oh yeah,
What?
that's what I'm talking about.
What is that?
Dad, here, we warned about this.
That is a. Is it a quarter or a penny?
We didn't
Or
warn
a
about
dime?
quarter penny. We warned about this. The word what it made of.
That is that a penny or a dime? What do you think it is? Between this,
Here,
which is the dime?
hey,
What is that?
Mommy, you don't know what we learned
Okay.
yesterday. We learned about the sun, what it made of.
Okay.
This coin made of 2011 is so old already.
2011. Okay.
It's made of 2011.
Then after that, you're gonna count it by 5 by 10s. Okay.
Might be silly.
You have a lot of 5.
You've been silly. Dad.
Okay.
Here, I want to count by 10 first.
Don't hold it within your fingers. Okay. Count by 10.
Hey,
We're gonna put here so that's not gonna mix. Okay.
I don't
So
want
she
to
have
mix.
$100. So I already separate the coins. So these are all the coins. We have penny, we have quarter, the dime, and then the nickel. And then here, Mika already separate the $1, $10, $5, $20, $50, and then there is 100. This is the profit from the toys that I resell in marketplace. So let's see now how much is the total of the money that Mika put here in her piggy bank.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
So you have how many dollars?
17.
So our ones is $17. How about your $10?
I'll count by 10.
Okay.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130.
So you have $130. It's her expression just because. How many 100 you have? 1. So she have 100. How many 50 you have? 50 plus 50.
100.
100. And then when you add another 50, how many? 100.
100.
50. She had 150. So 50 plus 50 is?
100.
And then
And one more 50 is
Means is 100.
ta-da!
Sorry, her expression is silly goose. So I'm gonna count now the 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this 100. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 200. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 300. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 4. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it's 500. So 520 is 100. So she have 500 of 20. Don't scratch your face because you're just...
One more money.
Yeah. I'll count for you so that we can go fast. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. You have $80 of 5. Can you put together? She's sleepy now. And for the coins, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, $26 of the quarter. We have $1 of the penny. And for the dime, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the nickel is $2. So this is the summary of the cash in the electronic piggy bank. So let's total the amount. So we have $17 of the $1. We have $80 of the $5. We have $130 of the $10. $500 of the $20 bill, and then $150 of the $50, and then $100. We have $100, then $1 for the penny, $2 for the nickel, $10 for the dime, and $26 for the quarter. So the total amount is $1,016. So $1,016 is the amount that she saved from April up to this month of June. And she's putting it back again in her piggy bank. So we will bring the money in the bank and deposit it so that we can put it to her college fund. So what you gonna say?
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day, everyone.